Hello and welcome to Jewellery Rescue. If you're new here, I'm Kat and I'm a girl on a mission to rescue and recycle the world's unwanted jewellery. Today I have a lovely thrift haul for you. These are goodies that I bought at the car boot sale yesterday. I can't wait to share with you what's here. So there was an amazing stall that said it was a shop clearance, and it was absolutely full of these little bags of jewellery. I did take a little bit of footage, so enjoy that now. So I picked up, first of all, check these out. It was 50p an item on this stall, and look at these amazing tiger's eye earrings. They are not sterling silver, they might be alpaca maybe because they've gone a sort of golden colour. They're on sterling hooks though, and they are just stunning. I think that I'm probably going to use these as charms on a bracelet. I meant to wear it to show you and I forgot, but my tiger's eye bracelet you might have seen me wearing in recent videos. 50p, can you believe that? What a bargain. I actually ended up buying 14 pieces from this guy. I bought my girls a bangle each as well. Look at this sweet little 90s celestial bracelet. It does look like silver, but sadly isn't silver, but well worth 50p. So that one's staying as it is. This necklace is so cute. I'm not sure that this one is actually vintage. He had quite a mix of things. But look how cute that is. And I did wonder whether, if it doesn't sell, I could take off each bow and attach a chain either side, and then I could make 5 necklaces from it, which would be quite cute as well. No branding on it, it's just a GB costume clasp, but very cute. This one I bought for myself. It's not silver, but it's very convincing. It's a snake chain with a nice S clasp, just like that one. I've got so many pendants that I'll find something for it. And this little beautiful artisan glass flower, I thought it looked familiar, and when I got home I realised why. Let me show you. I bought this paperweight years ago in a charity shop, and that has been on my windowsill for a very long time. And it's a perfect match, look at that. But anyway, I think I'm going to put that one on a chain. I think it'll look nice on a chain. These little beads I've had in before, and I've got a nice upcycled earring design using these beads, so I'm looking forward to making some earrings out of those. This hat, which I already have, but I couldn't resist picking up another one because I haven't got around to listing it yet. On its original card, 80s, I suppose it could be 90s, but I think it's 80s. Little hat brooch. This, which is just a modern men's ring, but men's jewellery is a bit harder to come by. Preloved, so I picked that one up to go into one of my shops. This necklace, which is actually broken, which I could easily fix, but I thought they would make the coolest earrings. So it needs a really good clean, as you can see, but hopefully it will clean up. And then I was thinking I could do maybe 3 in a row, like a long dangly, something like that-ish, with the different colours. So I'll be able to make lots of earrings out of those if they clean up nicely. So they were fun. 2 brass bangles to go with my collection. Love wearing my brass bangles in the summer, and I just like having lots of different textures and colours, so I picked those ones up for myself. And then look at this one. This is so cool. Sadly it's missing 1 stud, which I didn't notice when I picked it up, but for 50p I don't think you can really go wrong. That's still going to be a fun one for the summer. Okay, so that was all from the 50p man. Then there was a dealer who had some interesting bits, and I bought this lovely aeroplane from her. It's got really nice detail. You can see it's got the windows, you can see. Now it is stamped underneath. It says SILV, I think, for sterling silver, but it's not. It's magnetic for a start. but it's very cute. So I'm either going to use that as a bracelet charm or a pendant, not sure which yet. Whoops. He was £1. This is a funny little curio from a man that had some antiques and vintage things. It's a cuticle pusher. At least I think that's what it is. Correct me if I'm wrong. But it's got a nice early plastic handle, and I needed a new cuticle pusher. I snapped mine recently, so why not have a vintage one? I just thought it was quite cool. This glass vintage necklace I picked up for 50p as well. I just really like these little beads here. So I'm going to do something nice with those, not sure what yet. Keep an eye out in my shorts. Another store with some dead stock. I picked up these 6 rings for £1.50. Plastic. 80s, 90s, noughties maybe. Yeah, maybe noughties. They're quite fun. I was actually looking for rings, so I was quite pleased I picked up quite a few. This one is silver and was £3, and again that might be a men's size. It's certainly too big for me. And the rings of the day are these 3 beauties. Mid-century, costume, not silver, and they've got glass in them. They're all adjustable, but they are just amazing. Let's see if we can get it really sharp. There we go. That one. And they look awesome on. Look. This lovely dichroic glass that changes. This is a sort of brutalist style one. Aren't they amazing? Those were £2 each. He had a whole tray of rings and he offered me £20 for the whole tray. And I did kind of like the actual tray itself, but the rest of the rings in there were more modern, sort of rubbishy ones. So I just stuck with those ones because I think they were really cool. These I got right at the end with my final 25p. It was all I had left, 25p. Cute little daisy earrings. Those will just go onto new hooks. And then I paid £1 for these clay beads. I thought they'd be fun to use in my bead spinner. I picked up these 4 pairs of jewellery making pliers. I never see pliers at the car boot sale, so I was really excited to see these. That's just a basic set of jewellery making pliers and a crimping tool. I have all of these already, obviously, but I would like to in the future do some in-person workshops with wire. I do it at the moment with elastic and cord necklaces and bracelets, but I can't do the wire because I'll need loads of pliers and they're expensive. So I paid £3 for the 4 of those, which was a really good deal. I also bought this tray that I'm using for a couple of pounds because I thought it would be handy to have a tray. And then not a jewellery item, but you might appreciate this one. This is a, let me just zoom out a little bit, a Smithson of London. So beautiful leather, designer Filofax type organiser with its original Smithson pencil, which these alone are worth about £40 on the second-hand market. And I paid 50p for that. Can you believe it? So that one will go onto eBay. It needs a good clean. I need to tidy it up a little bit and see if it'll come up. It's absolutely gorgeous. She had a whole suitcase full of different notebooks and things, so I picked up these ones for myself as well, which are, how do you say that? Lecterm, something like that. It's a German brand, and it's like a traveller's notebook where you can slip in different types of diaries and notebooks and things. This is a really lovely leather one. These on their website are €94 each, and I got 3 for 50p each. It's crazy. They don't seem to have a resale value, but I was quite pleased about that because I wanted to keep them for myself anyway. So that's a whistle stop tour of yesterday's car boot sale. What do you think? Please let me know in the comments below what your favourite item was, what you think I should do with the upcycling things. Do watch another video, check out the membership option on the channel as well, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.